Hi students, MCQ number 28. A Carnot engine has the same efficiency between 100K and 500K. Option 2 is TK and 900K. So the value of T has to be determined. Now we can take the first case. 500K is higher temperature T1 and 100K is a lower temperature T2. So in the first case, efficiency of the engine is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. So this is equal to 1 minus 100 divided by 500. So this is, let it be as it is. Now in the second case, the efficiency eta 2 is equal to 1 minus T2 dash divided by T1 dash. So T2 dash divided by T1 dash. So this is equal to 1 minus T divided by 900. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Now what is given here, eta 1 is equal to eta 2 because efficiency will be the same. So I am going to equate these two. So 1 minus T by 900 must be equal to 1 minus 100 by 500. So cancelling this 1 and this minus, T by 900 must be equal to what? 100 by 500. So that this can be written as 1 by 5. Therefore, what is T? T is equal to 900 divided by 5. So we will divide 9 by 5 is 5 ones are 5. Remaining 40 will make it as what? 8 5s are 40. Therefore, T must be equal to 180 Kelvin. So option B is 180 Kelvin. Okay. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So such problems and all now very easy. Okay. Only substitution you have to do it. Okay. So this option B is the right answer. You must have understood well. Fine.